आयच्या दिसाक सकाळ जेन्ना तुमी चोयलें की जे द वे द TCP डिपार्टमेंट I should call it the sub-judice department were not giving us replies, absolutely chaotic. Why are they hiding replies? On one side it looks like it's yes builder and no MLA. TCP minister is asking us to take RTIs. We are here elected representatives, so you can see, and I believe this is something that the people need to know in the state. When you are converting lands using a section, and on the other side you are not giving us the replies. दुसरें जे म्हाका दिसता लोकशाहीची हत्या कशी, the way speaker had to give us neutrality. Today you all can see with what limited resources, with what limited type of information, but still we are fighting. We went in the well, we went against the decision of the TCP minister for not giving us the information. सगळे subjudice issues that were not subjudice were made subjudice. दुसरें जे टुरिजमाचो प्रश्न आसलो with regards to tourist footfall, these tourist footfalls as well were highlighted की सरकारा कडेन जाय जाल्यार FRRO को घेवन कोऑर्डिनेट करून खंयचे टुरिस्ट हिंगा येताय फ्रॉम खंयच्या क्षेत्रांतल्यान. इट इज व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट टू नो इन दी इंट्रस्ट ऑफ द टुरिजम इंडस्ट्री. तिसरें आज जेन्ना डिमांड्साचे उलयले, वी आस्क्ड person with disability that truly deserve this grant, this person with disability, this जे म्हयन्या तांकां जे पयशे मेळटाय ते needs to be increased. सोशल वेलफेरान, रिवर नॅविगेशनाक जे मेंटेनन्स जावपाक जाय, आनी मेन म्हण तें जे आर्किओलॉजी. आज खास करून आर्किओलॉजी डिपार्टमेंटान जे चीफ मिनिस्टरा एज एक्सेप्टेड places of historical importance, these places basically will be notified in the heritage policy. So overall, if you see, they एक bill pass करपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. We asked for division. There were hardly any members of their scene. Hardly, I think about 22 people were present. So this shows how serious they are about the bill. This shows about their lethargic attitude, and you will see in the days to come that we will expose this government.
You sir, you asked for the discussion for the TCP. What happened for that thing?
We asked, the speaker said whatever we have asked, he is going to reply to us tomorrow. That is what is on record. The speaker said whatever we have asked, first thing in the morning he is going to reply.
Thank you.